Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by opening VS Code and loading the project folder so the editor maps files and settings. This prevents path confusion later. Next, make sure your runtime or interpreter is installed, for example Node for JavaScript or Python for scripts, because VS Code delegates execution to them. Then install the language extension or code runner so you have syntax checking and run commands. Once done, VS Code can detect tasks and debug configurations automatically. You now configure the run and debug workflow so execution matches your needs. Open the Run view and add a launch configuration. Specify the program file, arguments, working directory, and environment variables because these control how the app starts. Choose Integrated Terminal when you want interactive input or the console for logs. If you need a build step, add a task and reference it as pre-launch task. This keeps compile and run steps consistent and repeatable across run. You execute the program with Run or F5 for a debug session and observe output in the debug console or integrated terminal so you can verify behavior. When tests fail or errors appear, check the Problems panel and the stack trace to locate the file and line, then set breakpoints and step through to inspect variables for root cause. If things still fail, ensure paths and environment variables in launch. JSON match the shell. Make that adjustment and rerun to confirm.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.